video?
No problem.
No problem. Yeah.
And
Good morning mga totoong Hinday.
good morning.
So, ito
How are
ay,
you?
this is Katut from
I'm Katut.
Bali,
So,
Batur.
Balinese palm.
Yeah,
So we grow like vegetable and onion especially.
yeah.
So we are the 100% of production of Bali.
Yeah.
Because outside of this area, nobody plant onion. It's only Batur.
It's only Batur.
Only Batur.
So yun mga totoong Hinday. And how many months you plant this before harvest?
We plant this. That could be like almost 2 months. 70 days that already pick the onions.
So after you transplanted this in this area,
Yeah.
2 months, after 2 months. This is your friend.
It's
Yeah.
some friends.
Yeah,
And
okay. So 70 days.
yes.
What kind of onion is this?
So this is we call a Balinese onion, red onion.
Red onion.
Yeah, this is the mostly the strongest taste when we make like a Balinese sauce for that we call like sambal mata.
Oh, so
Yeah.
that's it. That's what we tasted yesterday. Yung mga totoong hindi. Mag-English na kami ngayon ha. Because nasa ano tayo. Buti na lang si Sir Katut is can speak well in English. So yun, medyo level up tayo ng mga totoong hindi. Pero makita nyo yung view. This is the view. Yan. So this is the strongest onion. It's called Balinese onion. Red onion. So 70 days bago it will be harvested. So after transplanted in this area, and then after harvest, dito na yung production stock room. Yan no, so yung stock room ninyo. Yun na.
So that we need like 2-3 weeks processing to
2 to 3 weeks
yeah, to dry the onion to ready to sell to the market.
to sell the market.
Totally from our start plan till we are ready to sell will be like 80 days.
80 days,
80 days or maximum 3 months.
3 months before it can be sold to the market. So it is distributed all around Bali, Indonesia.
Also we are like export to Java.
To Java, the center
So
of
we have to change.
Indonesia. Yeah, that's very good. So this area, how many kilos can it harvested?
Almost 100 kilo.
How many square meters here?
100 kilo would be like 8 to 9 ara. Yeah.
Ara is how many hectares?
Oh no, hara that's mean about like 100 meters.
100 meters.
100 meters, 100 by 10, probably like 1,000 meters.
So this is like 1,000 square meters from here to there,
Yeah.
right? So it can be so per 1,000 square meter, 100 kilos of onion, right?
Yeah. So when the normal plantation could be like we get like almost where the normal one like 1,050 1,500 kilo when the normal plantation.
The normal plantation.
Yeah, so we get like 1,500 kilo.
1,000. So it will be the range would be 1,000 to 1,500 per
Exactly.
kilos per 1,000 square meter. So that's it. And how about Sir Katut, the price of the per kilo here?
Actually, that we have like a really changed the price. For example, where do we get like overload production, the market get low. But like this time that since 4-5 months, the price is really normal. So we get more than 24 kilos. So like 24, 25.
1,000 rupee.
1,000 rupee. But last time, like 3 months ago, it's really good price. We get more profit because the price could be like 35.
The good thing is in here, this is the only location that planted Balinese onion.
Onions.
And then it will also depend on the supply and demand
Exactly.
because of the price. The supply and demand, the price will go up or high. It will depend. So
10 houses the production here, then Java exactly.
oh yeah.
If we get the production same time between Bali and Java, the price get bit low. When like less production, like last time, the price something like 35. It's really good profit.
Yeah.
If like 20 or 25, it's normal profit.
Oh, yeah, that's good. So yun, it's very good mga totoo mga Inday that
But
we can-
because we are to plant here, we are have like the problem is the water, because we take the water pump from the lakes. We use like
how many meters from the lakes?
from here like almost 2 kilos,
2 kilometer.
2 kilometers.
Ah, it's very far. So you have to pump the water from the lake, going up here because it's upland. But yeah, the cost would be like
It costs more, like the electricity, the gas. Yeah, but still it's good enough for get profit. Where the
how about Sir Katut, the fertilization? Do you put some fertilization?
A bit when we just when they're growing already. But mostly we use like organic, like a chicken seeds, the
chicken
cow
dung.
seeds.
Yeah,
So that's why there are problem here that so many flies. Many flies.
Yeah, that's the main problem here, mga totoo mga Inday. There's a lot of flies. But
lot of flies.
the production is very good. The plantation is very good. The farmers, Sir Katut, is also very good. Sir Katut, how many years you've been planting this onion?
Our family. I'm just a farming generation.
Oh,
But in
Since
case the rest, also before I do for like trekking guide for Batur.
oh yeah.
But since 2 years,
You stop.
we get break.
You stop first, and then focus on farming.
Yeah.
It's more profitable than being a guide.
It's more because I don't have so much land. We are doing only little lands because we have 4 brothers. And we have only little lands. Where the people has big lands, like my friend, that's one. It's really good profit.
Oh, nice.
But I really love my job for trekking guide because we can do lots of things. We can learn other things from other people, and also
That's it. Yeah.
I love the nature.
Yeah, that's it.
I love
Very good.
mountain.
I've interviewed a Balinese farmer, so it's an honor, Sir Katut.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for the
very much.
information.
Nice to meet you.
It's an honor to be
Have
here.
a good day in Bali.
Thank you so much. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Sama-sama. Yun mga totoo mga Inday. Thank you so much, sir. So yan yung mga ano nila, mga strongest flavor na Balinese red onion. Tingnan nyo, makikita nyo dito. Ito, maliliit to. Kasi sinesell nila to ng maliliit. So mga siguro may classified na to nila, yung mga ganito siguro baka yung mga smallest one. Pero they're strong flavor. Masarap yung flavor nila. Yun yung mga large size naman dito. Yan, oh. Ganyan. So malalaki din. Kung makikita nyo, malalaki na. Yan, oh. Malalaki. Different sizes. At nakakatuwa dahil yun yung bahay nila. Sa tapat lang ng bahay nila, yan. May mga farm sila dito. Yan, ang ganda. Picture, Ben. Yan. Oh, so ganda mga totoong Inday. Ngayon, ito, preparation para sa plantation nila. Nakapag-start na sila. Ito yung mga tanim mo. Ito, nilagay na nila. Oh. Yan. So yan, oh. Yan yung nilagay na nila. So dapat facing front yung shoots niya. Para pag nagtanim, lalabas dito yung shoots. Ngayon, punta tayo dun sa area nila. Dito. Sabay tayo. Ito na yung mga ito, I think, weeks na to. Dito lang sa gilid ng bahay nila. Yan, oh. So, na-surrounded tayo ng mountain. Dito lang yung villa natin. Pero, malalaki na sila. Siguro mga 3 weeks na ito. Yan. 3 weeks to 1 month na yun. Ito. Hey, good morning. Morning. Ready na din sila for plantation. Gumagamit talaga sila ng plastic mulch para sa hindi sila masyadong madugnan yung pagdadamo nila. Hindi masyadong matatrabaho. So yan, always dito kasi umulan, maganda yung temperature, maganda yung klima, saka yung lupa, very fertile. So yung matatamay tayo, lakad lang tayo, konti lang lakad para nakita natin sa dulo. Buti na lang pwede mang video dito sa kanila. So ipapost ko to sa YouTube para at least maganda yung natin, history dito ng memories sa Indonesia, no. So first time namin pumunta ng Indonesia, medyo gala tayo, medyo palaboy talaga tayo, no. So shoutout dyan sa partner ko si Park Dan. Park Dan, ito na yung ano ko. Yan, share ko sa inyo. Yung native na manok dito, mamaya Sarap yan, oh. Oh, oh. Oy, so daming ano, itlog, oh. Anak. So lahat yun, oh. Onion. So kasi dito, sa Mount Batur, ito yung pinaka-perfect plantation ng onion dahil nga sa soil nila, very fertile, dahil black lava, ano kasi dito before, nagputok yung vulkan. So ang nangyari, lahat ng mga soil na galing sa vulkan nandito na paikot. Tapos naging fertile ang ginagamit nila ngayon dito para hindi masyadong makakaroon ng expenses dun sa fertilization nila. Ang ginagamit lang nila ay yung chicken dung, chicken manure, cow manure para maging ganyan, maganda. So ito yung harvest nila. So mag-ask tayo kung pwede na mag-video pero tingnan nyo yung mga bahay nila, oh, ganyan yung Balinese house, oh. Native Balinese house. Is it okay to video? Is it okay to video? Yeah, they say it's okay. Medyo nahirapan tayo maging taga-English dito ba? I'll try my best. So ito, yan, Moon Valley, Batur, cabin. Yan, meron doon. Cabin. This is onion. Yan, picture bit. Onion. Picture lang. Onion. Yan. So ito yung strongest flavor Balinese onion. Dito yan. Only in Bali, Batur. Ayan ang mga farmers. Morning pa sila. Ngayon, 9:30 na. 9:27. Dito sila. Tara. Tapos may kunting tindahan dun sa mga nagbibili ng mga farmers. Yan, may tindahan sila, tingnan nyo. Yan, may mga tindahan. Yan yung mga bahay nila. Ay, dito tayo dito. Tinanong tayo kay ate. Let's ask kung ano ginagawa niya. Ate, can I ask? You stick? What's that for? Sticking. This one? Stick? Oh.
Hachip.
Hachip. Oh, yan sa ate. Yan. So stick. Picture mo lang. Tapos ito. Yan, oh. This is the onion. Harvest already. Yan. So 80 days bago sila makapagbenta. So 70 days, harvest dito. Standby. 10 days bago siya i-dispose. So all in all, almost 3 months, he said. Minsan pagka abot pa ng 3 months. So yung price is naabot ng 24,000 to 25,000 ringgit, Indonesian ringgit. Indonesian rupiah. Rupiah pala, yung pera nila dito. So yan, di ba? Astig, di ba? Subuti na lang mabait yung natin interview. Yan, so tindahan. Yun. Sa farmers. Punta tayo dito. Dito tayo ng video natin. And meron tayong history dito, no? Ganda. So saya. Maganda ng memory natin na ginawa. So ingat sa lakad. Rough road pa yan dito. So yan yung pagtanim nila, isa-isa. Bawat butas isa-isa. Hello. Yan, saya na sila. Hi. Saya sila. Zoom mo lang din. Tapos usually ang irrigation nila, yung tubig ito, yung hose nila, oh. Yan, ginagamit nila pag nagdidilig sila. So, ang tanim nila dito, buong talaga, onion, yun yung mga kanina na re-ready nila. So, drum yung gamit. Yan, tapos yung distance nila, tingnan nyo, parang 2 feet. 2 feet. Yung sa kabila, medyo 1 feet lang. 1 feet, parang may distansya sila. So ginagamit nila dito chicken manure. Yun, minimix dyan. Ganda, lamig dito. Sobra. So yung mga tutumayin. Diyan yung villa namin. Ito tayo. Ako. Yan. So yan, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Ayun ang memories na video natin dito. Medyo malayo na ito masyado. North side ng Bali. Sa pinakadulo na mismo malapit na. And this is surrounded by mountains. Kung makikita nyo, paikot tayo ng mountain. And sila lang yung only na nagtatanim ng sibuyas. No? ng red balinis na sibuyas. So dito lahat. So maganda, good price daw 5 months ago. So yan, maraming salamat sa inyo mga tutumay sa pagsama. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod doon. Meron tayong pupuntahan ng mga farming pa kasi meron kamatis, may talong. Na ako nakita, iba din. Kamatis matatangkad, talong matataas din. Meron din silang sili, ng mga sili talaga kasi mahilig sila sa sili. Yung mga plantation na titingnan natin. This side naman, onion. So yun, pinakita ko lang sa inyo mga tutumay. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Kung nakapunta ka na sa Bali, please share this video sa mga tutumay Inday. At tandaan nyo po, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao na ikot na namin ngayon. Pupunta tayo ng international. Hopefully, ma-share namin yung mga videos na mapupuntahan ko. At sana makapag-interview tayo na katulad ni Sir Kato na nakapag-English, no? So, importante na makapag-speak tayo. Kung hindi, ako na lang mag-explain sa inyo kung ano yung nakikita ko para at least ma-share ko din sa inyo. So, yan. Maraming salamat. Happy farming. Kaway-kaway. Matutumay Inday.